Hey everyone, my name is Donna Freeman. I am the founder of Yoga in My School, and I would like to invite you to attend at the National Kids Yoga Conference, Moving from Chaos to Control, How to Manage Your Kids Yoga Business Books. So I know that many of us love yoga, we love mindfulness, we know the benefits, and we want to share it with children and teens, and that is where our heart lies. And then you set up a business and you have lots of questions about how to manage that business, and there's invoicing and bills to pay and maybe inventory, and do you hire other people and how do you manage paying them? All these kind of questions come up as we become business owners, and I would love to show you the ways to manage that well. In my other world, outside of my kids yoga world, I work in an accounting office and I help people every day organize their financials, and I would love to share that knowledge with you. So I hope to see you there, moving from chaos to control. See ya. Namaste.